Hi, I work here at ēWananga, the Learning Management Systems in the Tukaro building on Francis Street. ēWananga is the learning platform where your content is stored. It's also where you can communicate with your kaiako and upload your assignments. If you need any help to log in or any other assistance, please contact the help desk at helpdesk.ēwananga.ac.nz or email us at helpdesk@ēwananga.ac.nz. You can also contact us at ēwananga.ac.nz and click on the red tab Contact Us. For more information, please do not hesitate to call 0508 ēWananga.